Hello everybody, it's welcome again. This is going to be a demonstration of this Sergeant Door closer. I've never really filmed this closer for YouTube before, so it's going to be one out of several that I've found that I haven't filmed. And one of which being a parallel arm closer, which has the heavy duty arm. I'll go ahead and demonstrate this one. Which the parallel arm Sergeant will probably film tomorrow. So I won't have time today to film it. Here's the difference. This one has the delay valve on it. If you're wondering how this closer has a delay valve, watch this. I can tell it's a delay valve just when I open the door. And let it close. It starts out like going fast, and the sweep slows down. And then do it one last time, and that will be it. So at least that's